karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome back to karanjetlilive, and today we are going to unbox Toreto Bank wireless Bluetooth speaker. So it is priced at rupees 2000 in India, and I have bought this speaker for my cycle. So for the full video, all of you stay tuned. So guys, this is the box in which the speaker comes in, and here is the pricing and some details about the speaker. And we'll open the box and see the contents and the speaker. So here is a speaker which is very handy and very small and portable. You can take it anywhere with you. And this is the warranty card for the speaker. And this is the user manual which comes with all the devices. Here is a small box which has the cover for the speaker. And let's see what else it has. It has a hook so that we can connect it with the speaker and hang it anywhere. And what else? Yes, it has some cables. We'll open the cables and see. Yeah. No, this is a single cable which has a USB, micro USB port, a normal USB port, and an aux. So the aux can be attached into your phone, and this micro USB can be attached in the speaker. So we'll make a basic review. We'll play a song and listen to sound quality. I'll switch the speaker on. I'll connect it with the device.
Bluetooth mode. Connect to the Bluetooth.
So it is connected with
the
my phone.
Bluetooth is up top connected.
So
connect to the Bluetooth.
So now it is connected with my device. We'll play a song. So this is at the half volume right now, and I'll increase the volume from here. This is the maximum volume, and I'll increase the volume from my phone also. So this is the maximum volume which it has, and you can hear the sound of the speaker. The sound is not bad for its price, and it has adequate bass and treble for this speaker, and for its size its volume is enough for a normal small party. So guys, if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.